It's that time, decluttering time. So I have been in my room cleaning out so much stuff and getting rid of stuff that I do not need, including those random shoes right there. I just recently donated 3 bags worth of clothes, so many brand new pieces with tags. I'm very happy because, I mean, a donation is always a great thing no matter what, but it feels good to also be able to provide new fresh items for people too. So I've just been on this cleaning spree and just, you know, getting rid of old makeup and all that because it's just gotten out of control. I'm going to go through my lippies because a lot of these are old, or I don't reach for them, or I can't see my favorite things, or I'm just holding on to them. I have an issue where you guys already know, I stay emotional, right? So I just have like all these emotional connections and stories with certain lipsticks. I can't do it anymore. It's crazy. This section I have like lip glosses and stuff, so I guess we can go through this area right here and liquid lipsticks. And these are so old. You might think I'm crazy, but they're way too old, these Bobbi Brown ones. So I'm gonna get rid of all of them. They're over 5 years old, and I don't know why I just kept them. I kept saying year after year, oh, I'm gonna try them out. I'm gonna test them out. Yeah, maybe like once. All my Maybelline though are staying, and then this Fresh Kiss from ColourPop is gonna stay. I love these lip glosses. They are so comparable to these Fenty lip glosses. Okay, this hurts my heart, but as you can see, look how nasty that is. See what I'm saying? Like, that shit has separated. It just needs to go. It's like screaming, can you just let me go? This one as well, it's just way too old. Those are Dior lip glosses, and this one too. These ones, which aren't too old, I'll keep these ones, and I'll see. I'll like reevaluate like after. So this is definitely like a bittersweet section right here. And if you guys ever supported my color, where is she? Peachy Keen with collab. I want to say thank you so much. I'm going to keep this because I like keeping all my collab products I've done with my whole entire YouTube career, but I'm going to keep that. I want to do a shadow box of everything I've done. I have my very first camera, even a flip camera that I used, and I want to do a shadow box just showing like the whole transformation to see, you know, from beginning to end. I think it'll be kind of cool to see like the evolution of everything. Yeah, it's bittersweet because obviously I'm not a part of collab, and I will say it was just abruptly just done. We had such a good team though, peas in a pod, and I loved every second of it. It was just so genuine and sweet and fun, and I loved my collab members so much. So I think that's why it's so sad, because I'm like, damn, like I loved it. COVID messed up a lot of things. Got messed up obviously in 2020. A lot of businesses went out. I believe collab is still a thing, but yeah, all these are gonna go because they are. I'm just gonna keep my color, and that's it. I just won't wear them. I know it. I just won't wear them. I have like a bunch of random stuff. This is like pushing out already. So these MAC ones have to go for sure. I rarely use them. Oh, Aladdin, Patrick Star, and Selena, definitely not. Aaliyah, definitely not. Collection, I already know those ones. Oh, Selena, no. You guys, did Yolanda get out? Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this one. I never use it. That's pretty cool. This Sigma one I got enough use out of. Let's see all the limited ones. This one I don't use. This one I don't use. Don't use that one. Oh, I like this one, but I've honestly gotten so much use out of it. It's a stunning color. Now it's too old though. I've used it for a while now. This one I've never used. Pretty cool though. Maybe I'll get creative with it. The Power Mattes I definitely love. I'm gonna keep these ones. They're nice. That one I can get rid of. Like I said, I've been decluttering. I smelled a matte concealer, and I swear it like blew me into another universe. You're going. I'm getting rid of you. A lot of these are older. Like these ones are older. Super Matte ink is really good. You have to apply it right the first time, but I do like it. I'm gonna keep this one because it is good, and I do like to keep drugstore. You know, everybody raved about these, but I didn't like it, so I'm gonna let that go. Let's see, this e.l.f. one I don't need. It's very old. That Sigma I never use. This Revlon is so old. Here's Redmond Rocks. I love it, but I know I won't use it. Didn't like that formula. Let me know, what are your favorite? This is so old, that Milani. Oh my gosh. Let me know what you guys have been enjoying makeup wise. I'm obsessed with just the effortless look. Like these ones I know I won't use. I know some of you are just dying. That's the Aladdin I have to go because I dipped in it with my finger. And it's just, I'm sure it smells. The Jouer, they dried out. Fenty, I love. All my Fenty, I'm going to keep though. Any of my Dose of Colors has to go. They're way too old, except my Minnie Mouse one. That one's like my newest one that I got. You turn, oh, that's new. I love these Pixie liquid lipsticks. I think they're so good. They're some of my favorites. So I'm going to keep these ones. This one I'm gonna get rid of. I honestly only kept it. I did use it a little, but it's so matte and very drying. But it's honestly just for like the cap. Like, why would I keep this for a cap? Because the dog's on it? I cannot. It's just silly, right? Do you guys ever feel like that? Like you just feel like you just have, these two are old, just like certain stories or memories, so old, with Cinderella, that's newer, Sigma, Cinderella, Sigma. This one I used a lot, where you just have stories and connections with like certain makeup. Oh, this one's the newer one. Dose has to go. All of them except my mini. This one's like the newer one. Oh, that's another one. Okay, so I actually got rid of a couple more. And I'm gonna get rid of these 3 Fenty because they're honestly so old. All right, guys, so did really good. I have 3 empty. This Anastasia, these Too Faced ones, and then these Bobbi Brown are definitely, whoops. And these Bobbi Brown ones are way too old. Some of these, oh man, yes, these YSL ones are so old. Now, a lot of these MAC, they just have to go. Like, do you guys remember this collection? I forgot what it was called, but I ended up buying a backup, and it's like, I think this is actually the backup, but it's just crazy. I just got to get rid of it. Like any of these, they have to go. Like the Nicki Minaj, that's so old. A lot of them I am going to get rid of, unfortunately. Like a lot of these bullets, there's some I can't get rid of. Like B Cup was actually one of the very first lipsticks my dad bought me. So it's just one of those ones where I'm not going to toss it. You guys want to see? Look at this lipstick. I like barely used it. I remember I got it. I had no idea what color I wanted. And it's like this crazy opal color, like frosty. I didn't know what I was doing. I just know I thought I was so cool by getting a MAC lipstick. Oh, hello, cat. Okay, so let's continue. So I'm going to go through my MAC ones, and then I'm going to get rid of what I don't need. Who remembers Peach Sock? OG YouTube days. This was like the nude. Look at that. What is that? That was it. You guys, everybody loved Peach Stock. I have this NARS palette. I never use it and it's old. I mean, that's nice for like a natural lip, so I'll use that because I love the natural look right now. These L'Oreal ones are so good. Like this one's old though. I'm gonna get rid of this. I actually have used these crayons a lot. So I'm gonna get rid of this pink one. Use these a lot. So I'm gonna get rid of all these. So these ones I actually bought recently. Well, not recently. Well, when Kim was like revamping her whole line, so everything was on sale. So these are all pretty much new. My Urban Decay are newer. Is this my, yes, my Destiny box. So see, I have like sentimental value. So Destiny, I obviously created this color with Gerard Cosmetics. This is my very first lipstick, that one of my first lipsticks my dad bought me, and then this is my collab color. So these 3 I'll keep. I put that stuff in a separate area. Okay, Milani has to go. They're very old. Oh, all of these are pretty old, actually. Oh, this one's newer. Oof, I need to get rid of stuff. I can't just because it's new or old. I have to get rid of stuff I do not use. All this, I do not use. I do not use these. I only like these clear ones because they're more on the natural side. Some of the L'Oreal ones because they're very good. So yeah, all these though, I don't use them. Why do I have this in my collection? Why is she in here? Why? This Fight lip color I was obsessed with. I got so many backups of it. Why? Another little sentimental lipstick is, I bought this lipstick in Thailand and I just thought it was so cool to see their cosmetics section. And this one's by L'Oreal, I believe. Is it L'Oreal? Oh no, Maybelline. And yeah, it's from Thailand. So that's where I got engaged. So I'm going to keep this one lipstick. right, guys, I am so happy with my lipstick collection now. It is in one drawer. I got rid of one full of these, one of these, and one of these. I am so happy. I'm telling you, declutter. It feels so good. And just to get my whole entire filming space just organized and ready for beauty videos, I can't wait. So get ready, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.